Good morning, dear children. We were studying the chapter Our Body System. We studied yesterday regarding the various systems in our body. We also studied that we have lot of machines like car, binocular, washing machine, refrigerator. We have lots of machine around us. But to run those machines, we need external help, support, or also we need someone to make them function. But our body, which is also a machine, it doesn't need any outer support to function. All the nerves and everything are interlinked, and as any task come up on the body, it start functioning all its own. We have internal and external organs which can be seen from outside, or other outer body parts are the external organs, and the organs which are inside our body are the internal organs like lungs, kidney, heart, brain and all. We also that our body have very small things which are called cells. When they come together to perform a task, it becomes a tissue, and when tissues come together to perform one task, it becomes an organ. And organ system is the function of then organs to perform a same task. Then we have skeleton system. Our body is made up of, an adult body is made up of 206 bones. How many bones? 206 bones. When they come together, when these all bones come together and form the body structure, it becomes skeleton system. Now we have muscles on a body, on that skeleton system. Above that is the muscles. These muscles all together make a body work and function. So it is the muscular system. It is the muscular system. Then the muscular system, there are about 639 muscles in human body. Along with bones, the muscles help our body to move. We walk with our leg, we show our hand movements. So with the help of our bones and muscles, we have a moving system. Now let's see, we were about to study digestive system. Before that, let's study a fact written over here. Our heart is an amazing pump. Our heart is an amazing pump. It sends it sends out about 100 cubic centimeters of blood with each beat. Now with every time the heart beats, it sends about 100 cubic centimeters of blood. Now let's see the digestive system. What happens when we eat a food? How it turns into energy? How it is thrown out of the extra waste food is thrown out of our body. When we drink water, how it supplies us energy. Sometimes it happens all of a sudden by the lunchtime, you had a breakfast, you come to school, but all of a sudden you start feeling low, you feel lot of pain, you are not well. Then it's your lunchtime, you have your food, and then you're back into energy. Why? That the digestive system process the foods and give you the energy. Now let's read our digestive system. We eat food to get energy. Before food is used, it is broken down into simpler substances in our body. Now, before the food is, suppose you had a half paratha or one paratha. Before it is used, it is break down into simpler substances. This process is called digestion. The human digestive system starts in the mouth. Now in the mouth, how we chew the food? The food is chewed and broken into smaller pieces by the teeth. The saliva gets mixed with the food and helps in digestion. Now saliva, the liquidy thing that comes in your mind when you see something delicious, all of a thing, your mouth starts watering, that is the saliva. Food then goes into the stomach through the food pipe. Now from our mouth we have a food pipe up till the stomach. So the food goes in that same pipe only. In the stomach, the food gets mixed with the digestive juice for digestion. The food then goes to the small intestine. Now, it goes inside the food pipe to the stomach. Then You can see the diagram over here. It goes in the small intestine. First it is mixed with the juice, food juice, digestive juice which we have in the stomach to break down the distance, to break down the food substance. The food then goes to the small intestine. In the small intestine, the food gets completely digested. Now in the small intestine, the food gets completely digested into simple substances. Blood carries these substances to various parts of the body. Now that food is now break down from complex system to simple substances. Then those simple substances with the help of a blood moves in various body parts. The undigested food and water goes to the large intestine. Now this is the digested food. It has formed the part of the energy or something, and it flows with the blood in our body. Now the undigested part, lot of parts which is not digested, which is not supposed to be taken. What it happens, it goes to the large intestine. Here water is absorbed by the body. The remaining undigested food goes the rectum and goes out through the anus. Now from this part which is not digested, it goes to the large intestine. You can see these big intestine and small, so small and large. From there the water is absorbed from them by the body, and then slowly this waste food which is of no use, the water is absorbed, the energy is taken out from them by the digestive system. Now it is thrown out by the body. How? With the help of rectum or anus. It through the rectum, it goes to the anus and it's thrown out. It goes out in the waste material of the body in the form of the indigested food out of the body. Now respiratory system. This is the digestive system. Now we will see the respiratory system. The process of releasing energy from our body is called respiration. Now from this is that when we inhale or exhale from the oxygen from the body is respiration, releasing of energy. For this oxygen is needed. For this release of energy, oxygen is needed. The respiratory system consists the nose. Now what is the main, like for digestion the food goes from the mouth. Our mouth is the main part. You can see over here the mouth is the main part. Now for respiration, nose is the main part. The windpipe. As we have food pipe, next to the food pipe is the body having windpipe also. The lungs. The digestion takes place in the stomach, intestines, and the respiratory system takes place in our lungs. We take in oxygen from the air through our nose. It then reaches the lungs through the windpipe. The hair in the nose has what is their duty? The hair in the nose, they have to prevent dust and germs from entering our body. They prevent it. The blood, see, everything have their significance. Everything is important in our body. Even the hairs in the nose are for what purpose? To save the lungs from the dirt and germs. The ears have, sometimes the ears are having a shape so covered, some are having even hairs also. Why? To prevent any kind of thing going inside the ears. Now the body in the lungs absorbs oxygen and supplies it to all parts of the body. Now the body in the lungs absorbs the oxygen and supplies it to the all part of the body. The air that we breathe out is called carbon dioxide. It is a waste product. You all know, we take in oxygen, we give out carbon dioxide. We take in oxygen and we give out what? Carbon dioxide. So the oxygen is useful for our body. We take in, we breathe in, we inhale oxygen, plants give us oxygen, it gives us energy. But the carbon dioxide is of no use. The carbon dioxide is of no use. We just give it out. It is a waste product. Okay. Now, circulatory system. Circulatory system is the system that consists of the heart and the veins that supply blood to the whole body. Now the circulatory system consists of the heart, its main part. Now as there was lungs and stomach, intestine, large and small, internal organs. Now which internal organ we are talking about? The heart. Consists of the heart, blood and blood vessels. The heart beats throughout our life. It pumps blood to different parts of the body through thin tubes. Now we have very thin tubes in the body called the veins, and with the help of them, with the help of these tubes, the blood is supplied in the whole body. These tubes are called body vessels. Now body vessels, we have small body vessels or nerves, and they are all interlinked in a body, work together. Then lot of things are there. I told you now the human body is a very complex machine. Our body is one of the very complex systems created by God. We have a lot of things in us. Now excretory system. You remember while digestion some food was left and then it was sent to rectum and thrown out through anus. Now let's see. Natural removal of harmful substances from the body is called excretion. जो natural process है of removing harmful substances from the body is called excretion. Our body produces many harmful substances. These harmful substances are thrown out of the body by the excretory system. Now these harmful substances are thrown out of the body by excretory system. The excretion is done by a pair of kidney, lungs and skin. Kidney throws out waste in the form of urine. Now it throws out the waste in the form of urine. The lungs throw out carbon dioxide gas and the skin throw out waste in the form of sweat. Now, the lungs throw out carbon dioxide, the kidney throws out the urine, the waste water, and skin throws out sweat. When you run on the ground and you feel it is so sweaty, bahut pasina aa raha hai, what is that? That is the waste water from the body which is coming out from the skin. Nervous system. The nervous system comprises of the brain, spinal cord and nerves. Now what all are there in the nervous system? Brain, spinal cord and nerves. The brain controls all our activities like running, reading, laughing and cycling. It sends messages to all parts of the body through nerves. The spinal cord connects the brain to all parts of the body through nerves. The spinal cord connects the brain to all parts of the body through nerves. Now, what is a nervous system? A brain, and you know we have a backbone or a spinal cord. It is all interlinked. Then there are nerves, and when these all control the activities, we have to move our hand, we have to move our leg, we have to taste something, we have to react. It mainly controls the movements of the body and the reactions and actions. So it is completely the main control of our body. Now, reproductive system. Babies are born by the reproductive system. Both men and women have different reproductive organs. Now, another system also we have, that is to give birth to the children, that is to reproduce. So everyone have these reproductive organs also. So we studied, what all we studied? We studied digestive system, how the food get digested in our body, respiratory system, how we take in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide, circulatory system, how the blood goes inside the body and through different parts, excretory system, how the harmful substances are thrown out of the body, nervous system, how we react to different things, and reproductive system, how the humankind makes one of their own similar kind. Now you will read the chapter, do the word B, do the exercises and question answers, mark them on your own. In the next class, we'll discuss them. Till then, see you in the next class, children. Bye. And please do read the chapter. Okay. Bye.